I was using S-Lock for my Screenlock, which is from Suckless Tools, and I stumbled across this post the other day, and I thought, well, why don't I do a custom Screenlock? And I decided not to do what this person did, but I did my own thing. So here's what I did. I'm using this image, and then I check. This is what I run every time I lock my screen, and so I check and I get the last modify date of the image, and then I get the date of today. What this is the date without any dashes in it, and that's what this gives me using stat. See that %y of this image up here, and then I compare. And if my background image has not been written to on today's date, then I go to this website. I use the command line browser W3M to go to this website, and I grab the verse of the day, and then I use awk to grab the text between these two strings. And then this thing, it gives some blank lines, and it gives some lines that have, I don't know, I just closed that. Then it gives some lines that have one space. And so I just trim out all of that stuff. I delete those lines. And then I remove lines 1 through 3, which include the text versículo del día. They include that text, and this includes the line following that, which, even though you would think it would have already been removed, but by the time it gets here, there's still a blank line, and then there's another line that I don't care about. And so finally it grabs the verse of the day and then where it is in the Bible. And then I use Image Magic. It's Image Magic that ends with a CK. And I trim out, and this is the input file, which is right here, 1920 by 1080. There it is. And so, where's the file name on this thing? Right there, screenlock.png. And so I trim out, I use the bash built-in to trim out the temp part, and then I do gravity north, and then this is the text size. Annotate, I divided, what did I do? 1080 divided by 3. 1080 divided by 3 is 360. So I went a third of the way down, and then here's the message that I got up above, and I write that to Screenlock image. Obviously, I don't want to do that every time I lock my screen, so that's why I run this, and it just runs once a day. Otherwise, it just goes straight to using i3 lock. I use my Screenlock image. I selected tiling mode, and I didn't care about having an unlock indicator. You can look up online or on the man page and see what options are available for i3 lock. So what we end up with is this right here. And so every day it updates and does the verse of the day. And this works for now, but it could easily break at some point, at which point I'll just fix it. But it was fun. Hope this might help you in some way. I thought, well, I might as well lock my screen so you can see what it looks like. And I've got tiling enabled, so it's the same image on each one. So it looks pretty good.